Hello, I'm Mr. Smith and together we're going to practice counting in threes. Counting in any number is a really useful skill. Just like learning lots of words helps us to talk to each other, counting helps us to understand and learn about numbers. In order to get really good at counting in threes, we need lots of practice. Shall we all count in threes together? Let's start from 0. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. That was great! Now let's try counting backwards in threes. 36, 33, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. Fantastic! Counting in threes helps us to recognise those numbers which are in the 3 times table. Numbers that appear in the 3 times table are called multiples of 3. Let's see how good you are at recognising multiples of 3. Each time I say a number, put your thumbs up if you think it's a multiple of 3. Or give me a thumbs down if you think it's not. Ready? Three. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, 3 is definitely in the 3 times table. Well done if you had your thumbs up. 9? Yep, it's another thumbs up. 14? No, 14, not a multiple of 3, so it's a thumbs down. How about 21? Ha! Yes! 31? Oh, no. 6? Yes! 17? No. How did you do? Remember, the more we practice, the better we will be at counting in threes. I'm going to have a practice at counting in threes, but I need you to tell me whether I counted correctly. So listen carefully for any mistakes. Here we go. 0, 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Did I get it right? Oh no, I'm wrong. I missed out the numbers 12 and 21. Did you spot it? Well done if you did. Now time for another challenge. Have you noticed something about all of the numbers in the 3 times table? Let's look at the number 12. If I add the digits together, 1 plus 2 equals 3. And 3 is in the 3 times table. Let's choose another number. We'll have a look at 18. If we add the digits together, 1 plus 8 equals 9. And 9 is in the 3 times table. I think I'm spotting a pattern. Why not investigate for yourself? When a number is in the 3 times table, the digits when added together will also be in the 3 times table. So keep practicing counting in threes. Try saying it all out loud and writing it down to really get it to stick in your head. Just take your time and remember, practice makes progress. For more help, challenges and games on this subject, visit BBC.